guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and as you guys can see from the bags behind me, I am here to do an unboxing video. I know it's been a really long time since I did an unboxing video, and it's a new year, so I'm thinking let's just spice it up for the new year and drop a new unboxing video. I know you guys really enjoy these videos, so I wanted to bring something back real quick just to let you guys know I'm still doing it. The last time I did an unboxing, ooh, that's rude. Let me silence this. The last time I did an unboxing was a couple months back, and I've gotten so many things since then that I just never really had a chance to unbox because I would just wear it right away, and I like to just show you guys things fresh out the box, clean, whatever. But I'm like, I got these items. Two of these are actually gifts that I received around Christmas, and one of these are some things that I purchased myself. So I'm really excited to show you guys these items. I'm going to be showing you guys these items in order of my least favorite to my most favorite, even though I do love them all, but I'm going to save the best for last. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I know you guys have seen that I've been dropping these videos back to back to back to back between my vlogs and videos like these. I have a lot lined up for the new year, so I'm really excited to be back and be showing you guys these videos. I'm all into YouTube, and I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Like I said, make sure you guys hold me accountable to dropping these videos. If I'm taking longer than a week, hit me up like, Shayna, what's going on? I'm going to drop my Instagram below. Make sure you guys follow me at _Shayna Renee, because I want to get us in contact, keep us in tune with everything that I have going on the whole platform. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into this video. I know you guys can't wait to see what I got. I can't wait to show you guys what I got. I have a new energy. I'm just ready to go. So without further ado, let's go. All right guys, so first things first, I'm gonna start with my Chanel item first, and then I'm gonna transition into Prada. So as I'm opening these boxes, make sure you guys comment below and let me know what you guys think of the items as I'm opening them, and let me know your thoughts or what you think I should take back or keep, or, well, I really will not be taking anything back, but just let me know your thoughts. So first things first, I'm gonna get into the Chanel bag. It's not a bag, but we're gonna get into the Chanel shopping bag. So this was actually a gift I received for Christmas, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got. So this is the super cute box that, some shoes come in. So I actually received these shoes, and I just want to show you guys what it's hitting for. So these are the sneakers that I got. Just some super cute Chanel track sneakers. I want the camera to really focus in on them so you guys can see the detail. Yeah, just like that. Super cute, all white. Yeah, I haven't really gotten a pair of luxury sneakers in a really long time, so when I got these, I was actually like, okay, I actually do need these in my closet. I'm not really the biggest sneaker person, I'm not gonna lie. I prefer boots, heels, sandals. I'm pretty girly, so I definitely needed something like this in my closet. So I'm really excited about, wearing this. The box is falling. Let me put this right here. So yeah, they're super comfortable. I actually got these in a size 38, which is my perfect size. I could also do a size 37.5, but 38 is a more comfortable fit. 37.5 is a more exact fit. But yeah, these are super cute. I believe these are from their last season collection, like over the summer, like summer 2020. I'm not really sure, but these are a classic pair. Super excited about them. I'll also show you guys the other side. So they come with, hold on, I'll show you guys what it comes in a second. This is the other side, obviously, same shoe. This is what it looks like. So they actually come with 2 dust bags for both sides of the shoes, which is perfect for traveling. As you guys know, I always travel with my dust bags. And they also come with a pair of laces to replace the laces that you already have. I guess they get dirty or whatever the case may be. And it just also comes with a little card with information about the shoe. So yes, super cute shoe. Not sure when I'll be wearing it because it is January, and white is definitely, I wouldn't say it's a seasonal color, but I see myself wearing these shoes more during the springtime, if anything. So I'm actually really excited to get a chance to wear them, and when I do, I will be posting a picture on my Instagram, of course, so make sure you guys look out for that. So my next item will be from Prada. You know, I just love the new Prada bags. They're just really, really cute. So this is also another Christmas gift. So this is the box that the item comes in. So it's obviously not like an official unboxing because I've already opened these items, but it's new to you guys because you guys have not seen it yet. So does this look familiar, guys? You know, do you guys know what I'm about to get into here? So once again, I have another white item. I don't know what's so special with white and Christmas this year, but you know, this is what it's given. So right here, guys, I have me a Prada re-edition bag in white. This is a part of their new collection for this season. Super cute snow white color. It's just, oh my god, so clean. I love it. I love it. I have not worn this bag yet, once again, because it's white. So I obviously have some items lined up for the spring summer season, so I'm really excited about that. So I don't know if you guys remember, in my birthday vlog, I actually unboxed my birthday part 2 vlog. Make sure you guys tune into that. I actually unboxed the black Prada re-edition bag to this, and when I tell you guys, I wear that bag every single day. I really love these bags. They're super versatile. You could wear it like this on the chain as a handbag, just like this, and you can also transition it into a crossbody bag. And it's just, I love that about this bag. You can wear it in so many different ways, so it just makes it really just worth the price. Like, it's a great buy. It's super functional. I just love this bag, so I'm actually excited to have another color. And I really feel like Prada has really been doing their thing. Like, I love the fact that they incorporated this nude strap to go with the bag, because having a white strap would have automatically been a disaster. But love this bag. Can't wait to wear it. I most likely will be wearing it with the Chanel sneakers because it's a perfect match. But yes, this is my other item for my unboxing. Let me know what you guys think about this bag. Would you guys rock a white bag? I also actually have a Dior white bag, but that's a leather material. This being the material that it is, I'm not sure the name, it's losing me right now, but I'm just wondering if this will get too dirty. I don't know. This is obviously a bag that I will bring out occasionally. I want you guys to see the details. So nice. I just love the chain. Like, I feel like the chain is a great addition to this bag. But yes, once again, I also have the black version to this. I think I'll actually be doing a what's in my bag video with my black Prada re-edition bag, only because I really wear that bag every day. That's my everyday bag. It holds enough for me, and like I said, I could wear it to the hair salon, I'll wear it to the club, I'll wear it to dinner, like the supermarket. Like, it's just so functional. Like, it just goes with everything. So I love that about these bags, and hopefully I get another color. I think I want to do like a popping color, like a red or a blue. Let's see what colors that they come out with this season. I'm super excited to see. And once again, comment below, let me know if you guys like this item. And now we're about to get into the next item. Last but not least, up on my unboxing list of things that I got, well, this is an item I actually purchased myself, and this is something that I've been wanting for a very long time, and at one point it was super hard to get it, and now it's just kind of available again. But I actually got this bag on my recent trip to New York. Not bag, oh my god, it's not even a bag. I actually got this item on my recent trip to New York, and when I saw it in person for the first time, I said, yeah, this definitely has to be in my closet. I need it. It's a statement piece. I love it. It's just, I love statement pieces that are also classic pieces that you could just always have. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much. I just want to get into the bag and just also give you a little story time behind this item. So first things first, I have been on a shopping cleanse, and I was shopping a lot at the end of last year when I first, you know, moved to Atlanta. And then now I just was like, you know, I kind of wanted to slow down shopping, give myself a cleanse and just take a break from shopping for a little while. And then I saw this item and I just had to have it. Like, disclaimer, like I said, those other two items are gifts. So this is something that I actually bought for myself and broke my promise. But once I get into this box, you guys are gonna see exactly why I broke my promise, because it's just that, you know, it was worth it. Okay, first I gotta get it out the bag because it's just kind of stuck. But we're gonna figure it out. I don't know why they put this in such a small bag. Like, I can't even get the box out. Oh, the struggle is real. Somebody's texting me. Okay. Ooh, guys, it should never be this hard to get a bag out of the box. Okay. Like, you guys should see. Oh my gosh. I mean, a box out of a bag. You guys hear me? Woo! Alright. So this is the box. Is it upside down? Okay, yes it is. This is the box. And I had to actually get the item shipped to me because I was initially going to travel with it on the plane, but it was just too big to carry as a carry-on because initially they gave me a way bigger bag than this, but whatever. So let me get my phone because I want to read you guys the exact name of this item because I have it pulled up on my phone. So these are the boots that I got. Oh my god, like, I'm mad hype, and I don't know why I'm so hyped because I've been got these like last week. But these are the brushed Royce leather and nylon monolith boots from Prada. This is what I have pulled up on my phone. These boots here retail for about, well, they retail for $17.20, and after tax is about $18.75, close to $1900. So, girl, when I tell you, I needed these boots. Like, every time I would see somebody post them or just a picture on Instagram with these boots, I would say, oh my god, I need these in my closet, I need these in my closet. So the reason why I wanted these so badly is because something about them reminds me of when the Louis Vuitton desert boots first came about, when Louis Vuitton dropped them, and I got a pair. And those are like my everyday run around but still go out kind of boots. One thing I like about these boots, I also think that they can be very functional for casual days. I can wear these to the club, to dinner. Like, I can do a lot with this shoe. Only thing that I don't like about the shoe is that they're super heavy, and I find when shoes are very heavy, it makes it hard for me to walk in them. But other than that, I just feel like it was a really good buy. I just love how sporty and chic that they are. I'm gonna take out the other pair for you guys to see. But these boots, oh, these boots are so fab. I love them. So I will be wearing these very soon. I just definitely want to do the unboxing for you guys first, so you guys can get the first look of them. And let me know what you guys think about these boots, if you think they are a good buy or not, and would you wear them? Let me know below in the comments. And yeah, I just think that these boots are super, super, super cute, and I definitely cannot wait to wear them. I got these in a size 38. Initially I was gonna get the 37.5, but story time behind these boots, when I went to New York, I just went to the Prada store just to see what they had, because here in Atlanta they don't really have that many options when it comes to buying things. I feel like every time I go in the stores in Atlanta, everything's completely cleaned out, cleared out, can't find my size, they don't have anything. So when I went to New York, I'm like, let me just see what Prada has, just to humor myself. When I went in, I saw they had the short version of these boots, which was also an option for me, but obviously the taller ones are more of a statement. So when she showed me the smaller ones, they only had them in a 37, which was way too tight. So she said she was going to double check the back room, and she came back out with these, which happened to be my size, and it was the last one left available. So I said, yeah, let me get them. I'm not even gonna think twice. I just want them. I need them, period. That's it. But now when I'm going online, they just seem like they're available once again. So they were exclusive, and now I feel like they're not again. But I don't care. I got them. I still definitely want to see what the 37.5 would feel like, but the 38 feels fine. I just have to wear a pair of thick socks with them, and everything will be okay. But this is basically it for my unboxing. I hope you guys liked my items, and yeah, that's about it. I don't really have much to show. I had 3 items, you know. Tell me what your favorite is. Tell me what you guys would like to see in the future from me with my videos. I have more videos on the way. I have more vlogs on the way. I have some feature videos that I want to plan with some people. If you guys have any people that you guys would like to see on my channel, let me know in the comments as well. Make sure you guys, once again, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I have more videos on the way. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I love you guys. And have a good day, night, whenever you watch this video. I don't know. But later, guys. See you guys in the next one.